Oh my god. Okay, so here we are in this snowstorm stream because there's a snowstorm and every school is closed, including mine.
Yeah.
So that was fun. So here we are. I am looking for some stuff on Roblox because why not? But I bought so many random shit.
Is it baby chicken?
Damn.
Just a hamster. Switch. I purchased a hamster. No, because if I play Just to Impress,
It's gonna remove everything on your avatar.
oh yeah, it's true. I'll just be a hamster then.
Damn. Subnautica, but multi-tool.
Let me see my profile. Oh my god, wait.
It's a hamster.
Okay, so we're gonna play as a hamster today.
Just to impress. I'm gonna join you.
And we're gonna play Dress to Impress.
Oh, just to impress.
That's loud.
The runway.
Let's see who is in the chat.
Tutor period. Tutor period. I would have known. I wouldn't have known what the fuck this is. I'm not voting because I haven't played in it. So
Move forward, please!
my shoulder is hurting.
What's tutor period?
Oh my god, I gotta think of something. Oh, I should do like the 2000s. It's like honey. Why is this is I'm a oh damn. What is it giving though? What's the music video? Are they writing some rap music video? Oh. Spice Girls /2000s. I'm preparing for my when I come. What's hers? Sabrina Feather.
Please!
Let's do some good ass shit. Like, let me. Okay. Never vote. What are you giving? But you gotta say something.
Oh, no.
Play. Time to shine. It blurred. It blurred. Oh, they
blurred my whole comment!
my comment said 2000s music